to see the adverbs of frequency. Please copy on your notebook what I'm going to write on the board. In today's class, we have two main goals. The first one is to identify the adverbs of frequency. And the second goal we have for today's class is to identify the grammar structure. So first, what we're going to do is to see what are the adverbs of frequency. And I'm going to write them here on the board. I'm going to write some of the most usual adverbs of frequency. Now, what we have here are the adverbs of frequency. What we're going to do today is to understand what they are for and when are they used. So, for that purpose, we're going to do an activity on the book. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, very good. Now, first, we're going to do an activity about giving gifts. So, please take out your notebooks, your copies from the book, and we're going to discuss some questions. The first question says, when do you give gifts? In Mexico, when do we give gifts?
In December.
Yes?
I give in a birthday.
On birthdays, very good.
In December.
In December, yes.
In Valentine's Day.
In Valentine's Day, very good. Another?
Christmas.
On Christmas, yes, very good. Those are the usual dates for giving gifts. Now, the second, what's the best gift you've ever given or received?
A cell phone.
A cell phone,
Bicycle.
a bicycle, a computer, very good. What else?
A car.
A car, yes, that's a very good gift. And finally, what do you think is easier? Buying gifts for men or buying gifts for women?
For women.
For men. Okay, who says for men? One.
Anything is good.
Anything is good. Yes, very good. And for women?
They don't know what is your very good
What?
gift.
Okay. They don't know what they want. Yes. Okay, very good. Now, what we're going to do is to do a reading from the article. Yes?
Yes.
Okay. So here on page 32, we have the first reading. Before we answer the questions, I want you to identify these adverbs of frequency on the text. And you're going to underline them. Do you understand?
Yes.
Okay, so please underline the adverbs of frequency. Did you find the adverbs of frequency in the text?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, now what I need you to do is 3 volunteers to come to the board and write the sentence where you found the adverb of frequency. Who wants to pass? Yes, Juan Carlos, please. Okay, very good. Now, another sentence. Who else wants to come to the front? Yes, Nadia, please. I'm going to underline the adverbs of frequency here on the sentences, and I want you to tell me what do you notice about the structure of the adverbs of frequency. Yes, Juan?
The adverb goes before the verb.
Yes, very good. The adverb comes before the main verb. We have, for example, I usually get a bunch of flowers. It means that we first put the adverb of frequency and then we write the verb. On the second one, it's the same. My family always, and the verb asks. The main verb goes after the adverb of frequency. But on the third sentence, we have the verb before. Why? Because this is the verb to be. That means that when we have any verb, a regular verb, we put it after the adverb of frequency. But if the verb is the verb to be, it goes first and then we write the adverb of frequency. Yes? Is that clear?